Hi there, welcome to this quick tutorial on the AI Prompt Maker Statistics page. This script shows your creative activity in one place, like a dashboard for your AI prompts. It pulls data from your account to display counts and charts. Let's break it down step by step. First, log in to your AI Prompt Maker account. The script starts with require login, which checks if you're signed in, and show information only for your account. Once logged in, visit the page by clicking the link top right, Prompt Statistics from your dashboard. For example, if you're on the home page, look for the Back to Home button at the top left, which lets you navigate back easily. At the top, you'll see a section with a big heading title, Prompt Statistics, and a subtitle, Your Creative Journey in Numbers. This gives an overview. The key feature is the stats grid below, which query your database and show cards for categories like 3D print or stories. Each card displays an icon, a count of your prompts, and a title. For instance, if you've created 5 animal prompts, the Animals card might show 5 with the label Animals and a subtitle like 5 total. There are no direct input fields like drop-downs or text boxes on this page. It's mostly for viewing data. However, buttons like the Back to Home link let you navigate. The page also includes charts, a bar chart for recent activity, and a donut chart for your creation breakdown. Look at the stats grid first. For example, if the recipes card shows 10, that means you've generated 10 recipe prompts. The total card at the top sums everything up, like 25 total creations. For charts, hover over the donut chart to see percentages, such as Stories 8 prompts. This helps you see trends. Use this info to decide what to create next, like focusing on low-activity categories. That's it. This page is simple and secure. Check it regularly to track your progress. If you have questions, refer to the code or your app's help section. Happy prompting!